how to find screenshot on Samsung phone. So if you take a screenshot on your Samsung phone just like this, then you should see the screenshot pops. However, after this page and the screenshot menu disappear on your Samsung phone, how then do you find the screenshot? If you go to your Samsung phone photo gallery, then you discover that there is no particular folder named screenshot. So here, I'll show you how to find screenshots on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find your screenshot, go ahead and open the gallery app. Click on the search button at the top, then search for screenshots. Then click on search, then hang on, then here you should see all your screenshots. You see that? So these are all my screenshots. So literally the best way to see screenshot of Samsung phone is to search for them, because there is no particular folder named screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone, except if you create a folder for this or you created an album for all your screenshots and then move all the screenshots to the album you created. So that is basically how to find screenshot on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.